everyone, welcome back to Cook with Love. Today we'll be making Thai lemongrass corn soup. I was introduced to Thai cuisine and this soup by my very dear friend Darshana, who is also the owner and founder of Energy Weight Cafe Bangalore. It is one of the coolest places to hang out in Bangalore because of the yummy and healthy meals with vegan and gluten-free options that it offers. It has wonderful interiors tastefully done by Darshana herself, and they are following all sanitization practices to serve you healthy and hygienic food. So if you are in Bangalore or happen to visit, don't miss to check out this cafe. For this Thai lemongrass corn soup, we need 200 ml of coconut milk. Here I have used Dabur Tetra Pak because it is easily available. 200 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any other oil, half a cup of fresh corn, 1 tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds, salt for taste, red chili powder and a stalk of lemongrass. First of all, we'll chop this lemongrass into small pieces. In order to chop it, just remove this end part of it and then peel the cover. Now take some water in a pan and add these pieces of lemongrass to it. We are adding lemongrass because of the taste and the smell that it gives out. So I usually prefer to boil it in water and add this water to the soup. But if you want, you can add it directly to the soup. When you are roasting the corn, you can slightly roast the pieces of lemongrass also and add them to the soup. Once it starts boiling, you can feel the aroma of lemongrass. You can now turn off the heat. Now take another pan and add half a teaspoon of oil. And start roasting corn. Turn the heat to medium and now we'll wait for it to become slightly brown. As you can see now that it has become slightly brown, now we will add the coconut milk. Allow it to boil. We can now add this lemongrass water. As you can see, this is how it will look like, slightly green. Our soup looks ready now. We will now take it out in a bowl and season it with some red chili powder and sesame seeds. In order to prepare the seasoning, just take half a teaspoon of oil. Once it is warm enough, add little chili powder. Don't overcook chili powder so that it retains its red color. Once it starts showing the color, just turn off the heat. We will now add the seasoning to the soup and sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds.